We are back for another economic update. Let's go ahead and get y'all well informed of what happened last week and over this weekend because it's pretty wild. This is really wild. We about to have some crazy things happening this week. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'll make this really brief. Let's go. All right, let's start with Fast Gooseby. On January 31st, we had some comments coming in talking about he was, confident in reaching the 2% goal, but he also expressed that it's still sticky on the long run. So he wasn't really hawkish or dovish, more in between, cautious with his statements, with trying not to affect the markets too much. But we had Trump come in afterwards talking about he about to do tariffs for Mexico and Canada on March 1st. And once he did that, the dollar weakened right after and stocks rose. But then, right after that, he also, over the weekend, kind of expressed some more things. Let's go ahead and break that down real quick. So we had Trump change his mind on March 1st and implementing the tariffs kind of right away. We got 25% on both Canada and Mexico and 10% on China now. This is about to inflict a lot of volatility over the week. Dollar's about to strengthen, stocks about to drop even further. It's about to be pretty wild. Trade wars now is about to initiate. Let's go ahead and start with Canada. They got their 25%, also inflicted on US, 155 billion worth of goods. Yeah, you heard right. 155 billion worth of goods, 25%. This is about to cause a lot of tension now. We're also seeing that they wanted the minister to apply tariffs to US, Mexico, but they instead apply non-tariff measures to US at the moment. Tensions may still rise. It's still very greedy between those two at the moment. So just keep our eyes on geopolitics as our eyes are on that. Volatility is about to hit the markets like crazy. We also seen that Trump may increase tariffs, which will possibly even strengthen the dollar even further and lower stocks even more, because that's signaling that we may have inflation for even longer with all these tariffs coming into play right now from all sides. Yeah, this is about to be crazy. We're also seeing Trump talking about he want to apply tariffs to both gas and oil, and that strengthened oil too on Friday before the markets close. So we are expecting tariffs on a lot of things at the moment, along with steel, aluminum, copper, next month or the next. Now that we got everything overview from last week and over the weekend, let's get started on what's going on this week. For the most part, it's a lot of jam-packed things happening, a lot of data from a lot of different currencies, a lot of different central bank speakers. It's about to be crazy. Let's get to it, y'all. February 2nd, we got Australia retail and building approvals. We also got OPEC meeting too, so that would be big for oil. Stay tuned for that one. We see that we also got on the 3rd, PMI for Euro and CPI, German PMI manufacturer, and we also got US PMI and speakers along that day. It's going to be pretty juicy. On the 4th, we got US jobs opening and orders, along with speakers, and we also got earnings too on that day. And then later on, NZD unemployment rate. We got the 5th. We got some juicy things happening on that day too. We got German services, and we also got composite PMI. We also see that we got Bank of Europe bulletin, and we also see the speakers coming up. US ADP, trade balance with them also, CAD trade balance, and we also got US S&P PMI, ISM PMI, crude oil inventories. It's just a lot of big things happening on this day. It's about to be wild. Please stay informed and make sure y'all positions are in order. On the 6th, we got the rate decision for Bank of Europe. Oh my goodness, another rate decision. We already had rate decisions last week. Then we got some more rate decisions happening this week. We got US jobless claims and speakers. And we got earnings reports too from Amazon, knowing that they have been going through some crazy things with their DAEI. Yeah, we about to see some crazy volatility in the stock market with that when the numbers are released. all eyes will be on that, so everybody should pay attention too. Last but not least, we have the 7th with U.S. non-farm payrolls. That is about to be huge, as we're about to find out the employment data from last month and see if the economy is actually doing well, as they say. We also got CAD employment, U.S. earnings, University of Michigan sentiment, and more speakers. So it's about to be a crazy week. Everybody should go ahead and plan accordingly. Make sure you're having risk management right. It's about to go down. That is everything to cover for the most part from last week, over the weekend, and what's happening this week. So this is everything everybody needs to be informed on to be able to take advantage of the markets. Be prepared, use proper risk management, and let's kill it. True Gold out.